Okay, hello guys, it's me. I'm here. So I'm going to play the Forgotten Desert today. Let's see if we get a spike or something good. I'm gonna actually get my button. Sorry if I am not that loud. Sometimes I'm using my uh hopefully it records the game audio still. I don't know. But um uh I'm using my phone as a microphone because the one on my laptop is actually dog shit. Like, my laptop's fine, don't get me wrong, but I have a bad CPU and like my microphone on it isn't very good, and I can't use the webcam for the life of me because that is awful too. I mean, I guess if anybody wants to see my reaction, I've done webcam stuff before, so I guess I don't mind, but if anybody wants to like see that, and I guess I can do that if anybody wants to see that. I'll try to find something that can let me set it up with my phone again or something like that. Because my phone works fine. The only issues is that it might be an issue. Because, I don't know, I would have to like figure something out for the webcam thing. Like, I just don't think I can do it. Because the camera on this thing is like really bad. But I don't think they make cameras good on laptops in general, so that's the issue. But yeah. So I think we'll do about 4 of these. If I can get it to go well, maybe I will do Sims 4 or Roblox or something, because I'm not gonna just do this. It would be boring. Let's be honest. It would be like extremely boring. I myself, I just go back to like my old videos where I played this, and it's just like, girl, this is kind of boring to watch. Granted, I didn't show the whole thing because sometimes they take longer than like 15 minutes, and I used what's it called? Screencast-O-Matic. Now, for whatever reason, they call Screencast-O-Matic, ScreenPal, which I think sounds really stupid. I miss, like, the old version of it. ScreenPal is, like, laggy. It's, like, not the same. I think Screencast-O-Matic was perfect, but now it's just, like, garbage. No offense to anybody who uses the new version of Screencast-O-Matic, but it kinda just sucks. It's like not the same. And the only good ones I know now are like Bandicam. I remember like using that one a lot. That was like one of the best ones in my opinion. It like ran pretty decently smooth if you were in games and stuff. It like doesn't lag you or anything. So that's what I'm using, albeit I did some sneaky stuff to get it unregistered so that I could record longer than 9 minutes. It was kind of hard to do. I hope I don't get a virus, but so far I haven't, so I think it's safe. And it's just Windows Defender blocking it for my safety, you know. The thing I liked about Screencast-O-Matic though is you could preview your video. Like, I watch my videos to make sure, like I watch over my videos just to make sure they weren't, like, too laggy or something, or, like, there was something going on. Also, yes, I'm actually laggy right now. That is not just the recorder. If the thing isn't clear enough, I sometimes lag for a little while after somebody logs in, because this game's on fucking spaghetti codes. So what did we get? What is that? A pilgrim hat! Great! I love it. I absolutely love it. I will definitely be wearing that. That will definitely be going in my collection. Stay tuned. You'll see what I do with it after this. Maybe I'll put it on. I definitely won't. Honestly, maybe I should put it on just to see how ugly it looks. I'm gonna be honest, I don't buy most of the stuff in the shops. Not all of it is cute. By the way, please, I'm trying to collect flower crowns. Like, please give me a flower crown. I ain't gonna wear that. I'll stick to my galoshes, thanks. Oh, wow, a princess necklace. That's the rarest item in the game. That's like the rarest item in the game, holy shit. It would be even better if it was a necklace. That's even rarer. Clear sarcasm here. If that was the rarest item in the game, I think we'd all be rich. That reminds me, back in the day, one of my first accounts was Pretty Princess 11223, which is out there, is apparently somebody's zip code. Because I tried putting 11223 on something before, I looked it up by accident. I'm like, oh, that's somebody's zip code. I just made those numbers up. No, those are somebody's zip code. I don't know what state that is, but that's neat, I guess. Let's hope they find the last white one. I remember one time, it was just one time so far that nobody found, like, the last white one. And we were kind of just sitting here the entire last minutes we had, and then we ran out of time, and it was just like, oh. Well, I guess we aren't getting that white one now, are we? Because Liza's like, okay, that's enough crystals, and I'm just like, oh, well, okay. Also, I don't think the purple is worth it, because as far as I know, the purple takes, like, literally the entire time to do, and I've done purple, like, once. The prices are the same anyway. Like, people were always like, oh my god, if you do if you do purple, you're gonna get a spike. I'm just like, it's the same thing. It's just luck based. You're not gonna get a spike if you do the purple. That's just not how it works. It's like how people saying, oh, you do this gem first, then this gem, and this gem, and then this gem. It's not gonna give you a spike. It doesn't matter what order you do them in. Like, back in the day, kids just thought, they just heard these things and they just thought they were true. Like the ice in Mount Chivy or the, no, we might not find this white one. Anyway, oh, we did. Okay. Anyway, the ice in Mount that's ugly. The ice in Mount Chivy or the, oh, I guess that was full. Alright. What am I gonna do with these items? I'm gonna delete them because I don't think anybody is gonna want them. Actually, I'm not even gonna try that on. Let's be honest. The best things I've got is this. I don't think that's probably good. I got these nerds. I got cupids. I got this. Which I actually did. The reason why I say this is good is because I actually did want this. I just want a black one. I've gotten, I think I got this from that. Either that or it was something else. Why do I have a necklace? That's a good question. Somebody gave me those ones. No, I think this is extremely rare. And I don't know if it was a bug because I haven't gotten one since. But, oh yeah, I got this robot thing. I got this moon dirt. Oh, I like that in here, actually. I got this rare chair from it. I got these, this. I have all this shit from Forgotten. I got all this shit from Lucky Clovers. So, yeah. I need to renew my membership, but yeah, oh yeah, I got that Golden Phantom. And I got this from that. I'm not even joking when I say that. I got this from it. That's why I'm saying I don't know if it's just really rare and you can get diamond items, but I got a diamond item from it. I know it sounds like a joke, but it's not. I didn't have this before. I got it from that adventure, and it's really weird. I'm hoping to, like, get another Cammy's frog, because I need one, but yeah. Oh, so I slept until fucking 5 p.m. today. I'm a fucking loser. If I wasn't so focused on the Forgotten Desert right now, I'd probably be drawing something because, oh my lord. Anyway, how long have I been recording for? About 14 minutes. Well, that's good. Let's get this party started. Alright. I'm gonna go this way. Oh my god, the lag from people logging in. I think one good show is Buzz Lightyear of Star Command, if you're willing to watch it online. Because it's not on Disney Plus or anything. I heard people say that they should put it on Disney Plus. I mean, they should, but I don't even have Disney Plus, so it wouldn't really matter to me. And even if I did have Disney Plus, I can't watch it on my TV. I would have to watch it on my laptop. My TV doesn't support Disney Plus. You know? There are ways to watch cartoons though online for free. How I watched some of the things that I've watched. I'm not gonna say it here because YouTube will probably block this video for me telling people the secret websites. Because I showed people how to pirate once and they were like, no. So I just unlisted that video. It's on my channel. I showed how to get Animal Crossing and stuff for free. Like, I'm talking about the OG Animal Crossing. There's a way to do that too. Of course you have to use an emulator, but to be honest, if you don't have a GameCube or the actual copy, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now, I've always really wanted to play like the OG Spyro games, and I've just never got that chance. I'm hoping to one day do get that chance, but we'll see where that takes us. I might do one more after this and then end this video. Farm a little bit later. Who keeps messaging me? Like, bruh, chill. Oh, my friend's messaging me. Hold on. Dude, I don't want this desert adventurer shit. It's fucking ugly. Also, I should make another Dead by Daylight video. I just haven't been playing Dead by Daylight much. I'm just lazy. And after this, I kind of want to make sure, like, or try to record Roblox and see if it goes well. because I edited some settings and it was kind of laggy last time. So I'm hoping I can play Roblox without lag. But I mean, it's fine if I can't. The game itself doesn't lag, but the video comes out just a little bit choppy and laggy. It works for some people, but not all. So, you know. I'm sorry, I am like the most boring person you'll ever meet. I'm just being honest. I'm not. I'm boring. I don't really have much to say. Like, I'm just extremely boring. Like, half the time I don't have much to say. I just kind of... Oh my god, please let me click that. There. Okay. What did we get? Okay. I guess that's okay. Not really, but... I mean, I guess if I want to dress up as a French fry for Halloween, I can do that now. It's not even Halloween, but you know what I mean. Honestly, I'm just kind of bored. So after this, I might do something else for a little bit. Come back later and farm more. You know, I hope we get something good for the blue and white, but I doubt it. I have not gotten a single spiked wrist yet. And I've seen people be like, oh, I got a spiked wrist already. I'm like, are you lying or did you actually? Because it feels like I'm never gonna get one. And I remember specifically as like a kid, I never had good luck with getting spikes either. Not even a spiked wrist, nonetheless getting a spiked collar. Like, I don't remember getting them, like, at all. Like, you know when the rare collars were still in effect? Somebody actually told me that they're apparently testing the stability before they add back collars, but I'm not even sure if that's actually true, and if it is, then okay. I mean, they'll possibly come back then if that's true, but I kind of doubt it. But at the same time, I kind of hope they do bring them back, because then people aren't gonna be as obsessed with them. Because I think people are like way too obsessed with them, and that's kind of annoying. Oh, we got them all. What did I get? Dude, I've gotten so many of these, I'm just gonna delete them. Oh, that's great. I'm gonna put that on right now. I'm sorry, I sound cringe. I'm cringe. Anyway, so I'm done for now. We'll do this again later. I'm also gonna delete these real quick. I'll keep the fry hat, I guess, but these are going bye-bye. As you can see, now I'm getting rich again. Because I think this was how I had so much diamonds back in the day. Or not diamonds, gems back in the day. Because now I have almost 50,000 of them. So I hope you enjoyed my lame ass playing this, and I hope to maybe make more. If you have any suggestions on what I should do, you can say in the comments. I'm not very popular, and I don't want to be too popular, honestly. Like, I don't care about money, so that's why I'm not kid-friendly. And I don't give a shit about being a fucking ambassador. No offense to the Jambassadors, but it's not for me. Anyway, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this hell show. Bye.